quick question. If I were to ask you, what are the 5 differences between image number 1 and image number 2? Okay, excuse the escape and exit and the found 05, but can you spot the 5 differences? Write in the comments or mark in the pictures and then write in the comments what are the 5 differences. If you found this kind of questions or games entertaining, I have a really nice way of how you can find the differences with Python. There's a GitHub repository from Costas Thanos. It's not the big Thanos with the uh, glove, but a mathematician, which provided a nice solution of how you can do image or how you can spot the differences between two images using Python and OpenCV. And in the repo, he describes the whole idea, ranging from first loading up the images, then converting both images into grayscale, then finding the differences between the images, then calculating and adjusting some thresholds for the actual differences, and then showing the differences in the images with the help of a rectangle. He provides not one, but 2 solutions. And for one of the solutions, I uploaded the code in my PyCharm, and let's give it a go. Now, as you can see, there are some issues, and those issues are due to a couple of things. Number one, the images that I provided do not have the same size, and that may be a problem because here we're doing image comparison, and even a pixel can mean can make a huge difference when trying to find out what are the differences. On the other hand, I played around a little bit with the thresholds, and then may lead to false positive results. But to make this fun, like I said, I will post the link in the description, the link to the GitHub repository. You can have a look there, copy the code, try it out yourself, and give then feedback in the comments if you liked this approach, if you have another approach. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.